What's up, YouTubers? Today I'll be doing a review on the Mainstay microwave ovens, zero point 0.7 cubic feet. I did another video though. It was on another microwave oven similar to this one, but this one here is the Walmart brand. And I'm going to read out the information. It has 10 power levels, 6 quick set menu buttons, kitchen timer, clock, wait and time, defrost, LED display, and 700 watts. Basically it's almost the same as the other one I had, but so I already opened the box and I'm just gonna show you what it looks like. Alright guys, so this is what the microwave oven looked like, and basically it's almost the same as the other video that I did. I think the only difference that I see is just the red trimming on the side. Seems like these people who make the microwave oven basically has like a cookie cutter design, and then they just pass it on to different vendors. But anyway, so this is what it looks like on the outside and the inside. So just to give you a reference on the size of the microwave oven, this is one of those shake bottles, right, from Walmart. So it's almost the same size as the microwave oven itself. So what I'm going to do is show you the size in comparison to like a plate and a bowl. So what I'm going to do first is have this mug, and I'm going to put this inside here. So it's actually really small. So what I'm seeing is that these microwave oven is actually made for like one person or two people at the most. Anything else above that, you need to step it up to another microwave oven. So let's go ahead and put a bowl inside. So by the way, I'm medium sized, so I'm not really tall, I'm not that short, but based on what you see, this is just one hand. So imagine if you had used both hands, it's going to be really small for someone who's maybe like 5'8" to 6 foot tall. But like I said again, it's made for like, I would say it's made for like one person. The type of thing you'd use, it's like at a dorm or a what do you call that, home office setting where it's just your own personal microwave oven. So this is like one of those plates too. In fact, this plate and mug I got from Walmart also. This is the Corel brand. So let's go take a look at this. You see the size of the plate? It almost touches the size of the microwave oven. So this is really small. Alright, so let me put this on the side. Now what I'm going to do also is set the time for this. I'm going to show you how to set it. So let's see. Right here you see this clock. You just click it and it'll give you 12 hours. But if you click it again, it'll do 24 hours like military standard time. But if you don't want that, you just go ahead, click it again, and I'll give you 12 hours. Now let's say the time here is 5 o'clock, or let's say 5:13. I'll just press 5, 1, and 3, and then hit the clock again. So as you can see here, these two little digits keeps flashing. That means you already set the timer correctly. Alright. So as far as the review is concerned, my wife and I have been using this for quite a while. We got here in Hawaii January 3rd, and we bought this I think the same day we came in. But as far as reheating food up and or cooking food, like this has 700 watts, so you're gonna have to spend some time on it. Like maybe, for example, it sounds really crazy, but I cook egg whites in here with rice. So I actually mix it up together in that in this bowl. So I put rice and egg whites in it. Yeah, it sounds really bad, but that's just basic breakfast for me. I don't have anything else that I would want to put. I just do that to help lower my cholesterol. So it'll take about almost 3 minutes just to heat that up. So I would say it's about 3/4 cup rice, and I'll just put in as much egg whites in it just to fill the top, or just to match the top of the rice and kind of like keep it about the same. So if that's what do you call it? If it takes that long to cook, you know, a small amount of food, basically it's the wattage for someone else might not be as good because it's really small. 700 watts. So if you're looking for something else that will cook quicker, you will want to step up the watts. So as far as my thoughts on this microwave oven, I would say it's a good deal for maybe 1 or 2 people, but anything above that, no. And it is best to reheat only. As far as cooking this stuff, nah, I don't think it'll be doing a good job on actually cooking and making or reheating food for a lot of people. So thank you guys for watching my video, and don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this if you feel someone else would benefit from it, especially the setting of the time. Every time in the upper US or like in the mainland, there's always like time difference and changes, so that itself, every year, twice a year, we're gonna have to work on that. Here in Hawaii, we don't do that. We don't really have that time change. Alright guys, see you next time. Peace out.